Have you ever been deep into programming only to hit a wall with an error that just doesn't make sense? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with the function ORD in COBOL and how to troubleshoot it. I totally get how annoying it is when you're trying to implement something like a Caesar cipher and you encounter a compile error. You're not alone in this struggle. Many programmers face similar issues, especially when dealing with numeric functions. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, why does the function ORD work sometimes but not others in COBOL? They received an error stating that the numeric function, integer function ORD, was not allowed in certain contexts. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this inconsistency? The issue often arises from the context in which the function is used. In COBOL, certain functions have specific requirements for where they can be applied. We'll break it down step by step to clarify this. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial insight at the end that will help you avoid these kinds of errors in the future. To understand why the user is encountering the compile error with the function ORD, we need to look at the context in which it is being used. The user is trying to use the function ORD directly in a move statement and a display statement. In COBOL, certain functions like ORD can only be used in specific contexts. The error message indicates that the function is not allowed in the context of the move and display statements. This is likely due to the way COBOL handles numeric functions. However, in the second example, the user is using function ORD within a more complex expression that includes other functions like mod and char. This is a valid context for using ORD, which is why it does not produce an error. To resolve the issue, the user should consider using function ORD within a valid context, such as within an arithmetic expression or as part of a larger calculation, rather than trying to use it directly in move or display. By making these adjustments, the user should be able to compile their COBOL program without encountering the numeric function error. This will allow them to successfully implement the Caesar cipher. Did you know? COBOL is one of the oldest programming languages still in use today, and it was originally designed for business applications. It's amazing how it continues to evolve. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that the first example fails because you can't use numeric expressions as the subject of a move statement. Instead, they suggest using the compute statement for the function call. Here's the insight I promised. Always check the context in which you're using functions in COBOL. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. Understanding the context of your functions can make all the difference. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more programming tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle more COBOL challenges.